The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone had a great night or ready for a great day. Non-farm payroll day. So coming up in half an hour, we'll see how the market's been moving. And that's been kind of down since, well, it was up and then down. Our high ES 45.93. Hello. 45.79. That's 14 points in range. Yeah, easy for me to say. NQ just recently hit its low. 970. It's high. I think was 16.038. So that's only about, it's less than 70 points in range. Kappa had a nice night. About 150 ticks of range. I mean 100 ticks of range. Sorry. The gold has had a big range overnight. Yeah, not really. Just kind of. Oh, I'm on a 1 minute chart. That's why it looks so huge. That makes sense. There we go. 8 points of range. Ultra bond. About 3/4 of point in range. Crude oil back above 70. About a little over a point in range. Natural gas heading downward. Bitcoin still under 44,000. NQ heading down. Missed that trigger there as I was talking. So we'll get the next one. How's everybody doing this morning? Wake up, wake up, wake up. Non-farm payrolls, 27 minutes away. A little bit of a pop-up there on the one. Let's see, are we on the right account? Yes. But no. Theoretically, I could pass both Topstep accounts today. Both are within the $1,500 consistency window. We shall see what we can see. Might be just slow until non-farm payroll. We shall see. Let me go check, see if we have any other news today. Yes, we do. At 10 o'clock, University of Michigan Sentiment. Preliminary. Purple candle. Short 2 contracts. Tight stop. Not as tight as I thought. I thought it was a 5-point stop, but okay. Yeah, like that. So ATR is about 4. Let's see if we can get anything else out of this. Good morning, Jay Cook. Glad to see you. How are you doing today? Struggling there, so we'll take that off. We'll take a quick first win of the day there. 2 contracts for a couple points, $90 win. I regret taking that off, but I'll take it. Yep, it would have hit my original target, but that's okay. Hey, any green day is a good day. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Excuse me 1 second. Happy Friday, Crypticon. Continuing to push down, so I could have got my 5 points there, but we good. I'll take slow bites of this to try and get the funded today. We're now Well, it's just making fun of me now as it continues to come down. But now $966.52 delay. Oh, what about Crypticon? There's a little pop. We're less than 20 minutes till non-farm payrolls. Oh yeah, they did the daily report didn't come in or something. So, is Apex the only account you have right now, Crypticon, or who do you have accounts with? Bit of a bounce here. Blue candle on the 3. Awesome. Great job. Strong bounce back up by 7 points. Excellent, Crypt. Great job. Should have taken that long off that hammer candle there, but 15 minutes till non-farm payrolls. So you close to being able to take a payout on those performance accounts? Excuse me. Pops up. Okay, I wasn't sure. Crypt. Remember that consistency rule. So they'll try and go for super huge amounts. A little bit of a pullback here. Kind of hanging here around 15,979. Remember, contract roll after today should start Monday on the new contract for indices. Right now, the new contract is trading about 200 points higher. You could set a target for that 460 so it doesn't rip past it. Kind of bouncing off that 20 on the 1 minute. Trying to look at the chart to try and see what I think NFP might do. My brain says up, but it's not. I'm not gonna like gamble that or anything. Purple candle on the 1. I wonder where everybody is this morning. Ultravon just opened. Not really doing much though. Wait, why do I have a 5 and a 5? There should be a 15. There we go. Less than 10 minutes till non-farm payrolls. And the spammer on the MightyOxTrading Discord. Hey CBR, how's it going today? Nice pop up. So we could have taken that blue candle off the 3. Had a nice little move up. Ouch, what were you distracted by? I mean, theoretically, I'm streaming and trading at the same time, so I'm always distracted. One trade so far today, up $90. Well, 85 after commission, 81 after commission. Sorry, 81 after commissions. Five minutes till non-farm payrolls. Green is good. Green, not greed. Green. So it's going to be an eventful few days. Non-farm payrolls today, contract roll for Monday. Tuesday, CPI. Wednesday, PPI and FOMC. The 4 big major economic news reports in a span of 3 trading days. Sorry, 4 trading days. I agree. My goal is to have the top steps. I love to have them passed today, but have them passed by Tuesday, and then pass the My Funded Futures and the Blue Sky by the end of the month, and go into the new year with up to 5 funded accounts. Wow, wonder where everybody is this morning. No Sid yet, no John DeFore, no JC, although JC often takes Fridays off because he has his grandkids, or kid, I'm not sure it's one or more. Big pullback there right before NFP. Mr. G hasn't been in all week. Nah. Totally abandoned that new strat. Ah, there we go. Excellent, John. Non-farm payrolls a little over a minute away. John, did you get your Apex yet? Excellent. Glad to hear that, John. Whooshing down before the announcement. Wow. That just whipped up and whipped down. Big whip down. Wow, big move down. 63 points down. We started at 978, whipped up to 999, and it got all the way down to 888. So a 90-point drop, and over a 100-point drop from the very top. Now we're down 52. U.S. non-farm payrolls actual 199, forecast was 183. U.S. average earnings year over year actual 4.0, forecast was 4.0. U.S. unemployment rate 3.7, forecast was 3.9. So employment is still running hot. So the market went down because that might put an interest rate hike back, or at least not dropping the interest rate back in the minds of the Fed. Big moves down there. Crude oil actually dropped there too by 19. Ultra bond shot down by over a point. Gold. Wow. Gold dropped 11 points, 12 points. Even copper. Big drop on copper. Agriculture didn't care. Bitcoin, big fall as well. We dropped down to 888, back up to 915 on NQ. ES dropped down to 4561. It's bounded back up to 4567. The Dow dropped 72 points thus far. It's still falling here. Bounced there on green on the 1 minute. Not sure I'm brave enough to take that trigger. What the heck I am. Oh, I should have stayed one contract. Crap. Oh, let's hope. Nope. That was a mistake. Big mistake. Stopped out, and I just put myself back. That was stupid. And there it goes. Now it goes up. We'll pull back exactly 10 points, and then, oh, man. Now I'm mad. Trying another long. One contract this time. There we go. Target hit. Got 250 of that back. Should have went with kept the two contracts. I knew it was going back up. I should have given it more than a 10-point stop, and I just didn't. My risk averseness hurt me on that trade, that first trade. Of course, I stunned myself because I forgot I was on 2 contracts, but no problem. The fact that I got right back in there off my trigger, my secondary trigger there, good. Bounces off the 20 EMA. That was technically kind of a trigger for me, but struggling at that 1. Let's see if it can break through. I mean, I'm sorry, the 20. That's how I said the 1. The 20. The 20 EMA is at 953. If we break it, might be able to ride it up to 980 there on which is the 100 EMA. Or 972, which is the 20 on the 3. So far, no breaky. Do I thank everyone for joining me this morning? I hope you're having a great day so far. Please hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm so they know you like me. Let's try it again. I have my finger on the buy button. It's starting to get a cramp. We're long. It immediately comes back down toward me though, off that long. We're in at 957. Wow, got it right on the nose there. Shooting for another 12.5 points here. Our ATR is actually 17. There we go. Oh, come on. I want 69. Wait, that sounded bad. There we go. Target hit. Another 12.5 point win. back in the green, and now less than $900 away from passing this account. And right there is a big difference in me. Just a few months ago, that loss where I took the big loss there on the two accounts when I accidentally went in with two accounts, yeah, two contracts. That would have shaken me up, and I would not have been able to drive past them and just get these last two wins. Morning, Sid. How's your day going? So NFP dropped huge, and then but we're gaining it almost all back. NFP candle started at 15,978. We're back up to 9. It dropped all the way down to 888. Now we're all the way back up to 971. There's 980. I said about maybe riding it up to 980. I kind of wish I would have, but there we go. Breaking of the 100 EMA, continuing to rise up. Big ATR here now. We're up at 16 ATR. Gold's rebounded. Oh, yeah. So gold shot down on non-farm payrolls, and now it's recovering as well. Ultrabound, not so much. Copper, new high a day. Crude oil, coming back up. Natural gas, coming back up. Hesitating a little bit here. About 45 minutes till the bell. 15 minutes till the top of the hour. A little less. We're
3 out of 4 are wins this morning already. Unfortunately, that one loss was on 2 contracts at 10 points. It was an accident that I went 2 contracts there. But it's okay, we're still up 154. Trying to get to the funded level today on this Topstep account. We are $893.24 away. So about 45 NQ points, if we want to look at it that way. NQ struggling around the 20 EMAs on the 3 and the 5. Dow and ES also hit their 100 EMAs on their 5. Seeing if we can continue higher. Can it take us higher? We do have more news at 10 a.m. Eastern. University of Michigan sentiment. It's breaking now. Not holding. Back up to 981, so it gained that entire candle back, that entire NFP candle. All in a matter of 20 minutes. A little purple there. It's kind of, it's lost a little bit of oomph now as it tries to regain some balance, I guess. It's almost like it's saying, hey, forget about that whole overreaction. Let us go back to the way we were trading before that happened. So 980 is where we're sitting right now. Seems like it wants to continue trying to push up, but see what this blue candle does here on the 3. You can see here, obviously, we love those candles. Hit our overnight lows on everything, but now it's right back into the overnight ranges. High on NQ 16,038, so we're about 50 points off of that. Ooh, gold pullback. Did you get out of gold, John? Ultra Broad still can't find any footing to come back up. Copper pulls back after making another new daily high. Crude market opens here in a few. It's kind of having it hauling right around 71. Anyone else taking any trades yet this morning? Oh, good. Good. Honestly, never understood that saying, John. Unless the baby's sleeping, if you try to take candy from a baby, it's gonna start screaming. Excellent job, JJR. Are you done for the day with that, or are you going for more? No, I know that, John. I always like to bring up that point when people bring up that saying. It's just me being funny. And yeah, I never take it right from the bottom. I always wait for one candle. And I mean, if I had waited there, you know, on this, yeah, I took this loss on that when I accidentally went 2 contracts here. You can see if I put my stop where I should have, um, I would not have gotten hit anyway. But yeah, I took a 10-point stop there after that green candle. Then I waited to this blue candle formed. Then I took that for the next win. Good, John. Yeah, it's exactly what you should do. That's why I'm hoping to get these 2 Topsteps funded. And I think if I have like 3 funded accounts, I'm being too conservative with the funded Apex. I'm barely trading it. I think if I have like 3 funded accounts, then I'll be a little bit less conservative. You know, not like doing risky stuff, but just doing my regular trading, and I'll be more comfy. Excellent, John. Market's lost its oomph as we head toward the top of the hour. Mr. G says hi. He hasn't been around. He's been having people visit for the last couple weeks. Yeah, I mean, I honestly, I probably won't take money out on Apex until I reach 3K at least. And then my goal from there would be to just continuing to add, like, only taking out half of what I earn from there. So, like, if I get up to 3,000 and say I take out 500, it leaves me at 2,500. Then I'll try to earn another 1,000 to take out another 500 and keep going like that. So the cushion continues to build some. And then if I'm that consistent, then I'll start building up accounts with the goal of making $500 a day per account over 20 accounts. Pulling back a little bit here. I believe $500 a day is doable. $500 a day per account, 20 Apex accounts, that's $10,000 a day or 2.5 million a year. Pulling back a little bit here. Didn't really get any clear signal in this pullback. We're at the top of the hour. Possible bounce here. See a little blue candle there on the 1. But I am not putting the cart before the horse, as they say. Just need to get one account going first and then continue from there. That was a bounce off the band. Well below our signal line. You see it popped up to the EMA and then burst back down. Waiting for our next opportunity. Had a bunch of opportunities after non-farm payroll. Now it's kind of, maybe we won't have anything until after the bell. We'll see. Not giving me any clear signals yet. Maybe that's a clear signal. That's a nice little pop. So I didn't trust that blue candle there, but it could have got me 5 points, 6 points, maybe 12. Not 12 yet. Let's see. Entry would have been around 74. It's popped up to 81, so 7 points. But you see, it's not, so far it's not being able to hold above that 100 EMA. We have a candle sandwich between the 20 and the 100. Candle sandwiches are not good. They're very waxy. Crude oil coming up from its open here. Ultra bond. Still can't get any footing. Gold back down. Crude trying to fight back up. Purple candle back down here. Let's see. See if it stays below that 20 EMA. I like the fact that it's bouncing off the 100 EMA, but nope. Right now, no. Maybe. Very unsure of itself. Ooh. Did not take it. Probably should have. Just wasn't sure. I don't like where it's at on the 3-minute chart. But 5-minute chart also gave me the same type of direction, so we'll see if I should have. It's come down only 4 points so far. There's 5. So boom, 69. So good, 68 down to 58. Yeah, could have got 10. It's okay. Or more. Still falling. So basically, the lesson we learned there is, it came up, nice move, bounced back up off the NFP. And you can see how this hung here. and it kept trying to get higher, couldn't. Came down, bounced again one more time. So I should have trusted that purple candle. We were below my signal line. There was no reason really not to. So nice move down. Just totally missed signals all around in here. Every time frame I'm looking at here gave me a signal. We'll get more. How else is everyone doing? Everyone's gotten a little quiet. Big blue candle back up there. 12 points. I find when I get up a big amount, JJR, that I get more hesitant too. It's like I don't want to give back. And I end up missing good trades, even though it's kind of, it's weird because, a lot of people say, well, get to a certain amount and quit for the day. But you're just as likely to take a losing trade on your first trade the next day as you are taking another trade that same day. At least in my opinion. Yeah, we're back above the 20 there on the one, or trying to break back above the 20 on the one. Big break. So I thought about taking that first blue candle there just from 2 minutes ago. I didn't, and you can see it would have worked. So I've missed two good trades. That one, that. About 20 minutes from the bell. Ace should be joining us soon. RJ should be joining us soon. Yep. Back down. Did not sustain the move up so far. RJ's here. Was lurking, apparently. Nice, JJR. What the heck, guys? You're just waiting for me to say your name before you pop up? Not to the police, it doesn't, RJ. doing, Ace? I'm doing good, Ace. Doing good. We're popping back up a little bit here, but kind of just eh. Push down. Should have taken that purple candle. There's one of my issues. Boom. Shorty S. All right. Good luck. What price did you get in at, Mr. Ace? Blue candle popped there off the band on NQ. Not sure I want to trust that though. All right. Oh, cool. Good job, Ace. So less than 15 minutes till the bell. We'll see what we can see. Market's coming back down here. Slow grind. Hey, missed non-farm payrolls, Burrow. Huge move down, huge move back up. How are you this morning? Still coming down. We're kind of hesitant. We're just lost all oomph right now. Crude coming back down. Ultraviolet's finally finding a way up. Wow, look at gold. Just drop, 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 drop. Watching here. Opposite day. Nice little blue candle there. I could have taken. We were in the red there. Kind of lulled to sleep. All right. Interested to see what we do at the open. Oh, I think you're not giving yourself way enough credit, RJ. You are a great trader. You know, Ace likes those. Hey, JC, how you doing? We're less than 5 minutes to the bell. I'm doing all right. Up 154, less than $900 from passing the one Topstep account. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Right places so far, I guess. Need 3 good trades. Short signal there on NQ, not taking it. We'll wait till after the bell. Ready for Ace's 2-minute warning? Places, everybody. 2 minutes. Yeah, we did kind of do that together there. Okay, 30 seconds. Let's see what the bell brings. Ask not for whom the bell tolls. Ding, 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 ding. That was 5 seconds late on my ding, ding. That sounded bad. Anywho, we're popping up here by 10. There's 15, 20. Wow. Big boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, and gives it almost all back. Oh, gave it all back. Wow. So burst up by 20 and then back down and, well, back up. We're a little bit volatile. Boom. Heading towards 16,000. But got slapped back down to 977 from 994 high. Overnight high was again 16,038 on the NQ. On ES, overnight high was 45.93. Now we're sitting 984. Quick rejection back down, all the way back down to 970. And coming down. And back up. Not even going to continue to try and guess right now. Yep, patience. Patience is a virtue right now. Don't want to jump in here before it decides where it wants to go and why it wants to go there. Houston, we have obtained orbit around 77.5. Excellent, JJR. Wonderful. Pulling back down to 969. Bounces off that 100 EMA. And rejecting down to 962, but bouncing again. Just trying to bounce up here. High since the bell, 994. Still hanging just around this 970 mark right now. See, didn't I warn you about that, JJR? Didn't I? Didn't I? Anything else doing anything fun? Crude oil bouncing up. Ultra bond. That's finally some nice movement up. Gold bounced. Ooh, wow, look at soybeans taking off. Corn took off as well. Looks like agriculture's having a good day. How are my hoggies doing? Yeah, hoggies aren't. Yeah, mixed. I don't think they actually trade pork bellies anymore. Or if they do, it's like one trade every 3 weeks. There's pork cutout futures. But remember, contract roll happens this weekend for indices. Right now, the new NQ contract is trading about 200 points higher than the current one. Good luck with that, there, GJR. I'm long off that blue candle, but I'm really late, so it might be a mistake. I got in 4 points late. Ouch. It bit me. Stopped out. Dang it. NQH4. No, and there it goes back up on me. No, I was saying I'm gonna appear for my Christmas message on camera here on the stream on the 22nd. I'll type it in chat, JJR. So I was right on that, but I didn't give it enough room. I got in late. If I hadn't gotten in late, I wouldn't have got stopped out. That was my own fault. And there it goes. I would have hit my target. And Q running towards 16,000. I hate the fact that I should have widened my stop based on what the original stop should have been. Mad at myself for that error. There's 16,000. I was 100% right. I just didn't manage to trade right. Yeah, I'll start using that contract on Monday. Nice, RJ. And we pull back. So got up to 16,002 and then whipped back. Whipped my hair. Right back up though. Like I just needed a little breath. Let's go for more. There's a new high. Well, no. We had a higher high overnight. New high in the morning. 16,004. Dow sending a big old blue candle. Oh, blue. As is the ES. Overnight high 16,038 on the NQ. Strong candle there on the S, 7 points on the 5-minute chart. Dow up 50 on the 5-minute chart. And Q trying to get up to the overnight highs. I was right. Got stopped out because I didn't give it enough room, and then it's since my entry, it's gone 40 points. It's okay, RJ. You're fine. No, you don't apologize. Excellent, JJR. Just remember not to get too euphoric, because then you start thinking every trade's a winner. Big pullback here. Hit 16,026, pull back to 16,001. Oh, I am doing everything wrong today. Took the short there. Oh, maybe not. Looks like it wants to come right back up and bite me, though. Maybe not. Come on back down for me. Yep, there's the stop. Okay, so I am doing everything wrong today. Are you kidding? So that's 16,000. Will it break back below? Nice, John. Good job. Yeah, 16,000 is the battleground right now.
Yeah, I mean, why I'm continuing up? Back up to 16,018. 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, we hit 16,026. Overnight high 16,038. Okay. 18 is where you can see here. 18 is a struggle area. Got 18 here, 18 there, 18 there, 17 there, and 18 there, and it's not getting past it. And there's a break below 16,000. Back above. Do we break here? See, this might be stupid. Technically wasn't in my trading style or my strategy, but see if we break down. There we go. Nope. Come on. Come on.
Doesn't seem to want to break. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Fighting at 87. My entry's at 88.5. There we go. I saw 83. 85. Oh, that would have been nice. Nope. Bounced up. Stopped me out. Full stop. Everything going wrong today. So much for getting the top step to the funded today. Yeah, you took half off when I was just basically getting in. I got in at 988. I got in too late. And it's coming back down. Shot back up to 16,001 and then shot right back down. Purple candle. Or it's testing purple candle status. Oh, went away. Now it's going down. There's 980. News coming up in 3 minutes, or less than 3 minutes, guys. I just remembered. University of Michigan sentiment preliminary coming up. Be careful. Yeah, I've had a few right today that I got stopped out on and then it went. But we gotta see what the news is first. Michigan, the University of Michigan sentiment can move the market. Bounced off that 100 EMA on the 1, right back up, which is also that 100 EMA happened to right be at that 977 level that RJ's been talking about. Excuse me. Ooh, whoosh. Up to 16,030. At new high of day, 16,045. Michigan sentiment must have been really good sentiment. University of Michigan sentiment preliminary actual 69.4, and they expected 62. That's a huge beat. We broke above Wednesday's highs for a second. For last Friday's high looks like it was 16,050. We didn't quite touch that. Pulling back here. Purple candle. And right back to green. Trying along. Oh, wow. Stopped out in 5 seconds. Nothing going right today. I hate trading. and right back up. Nice.
What the heck, people?
Third time today, I got stopped out and then it went. Look at that. So stopped me out and now has gone 22 points. Market just decided to hate me today. Long off that blue candle. Target hit. There we go. Boom. Finally got a win. Oh yeah, I forgot to play the thing for all the losses, so we'll play the thing for all the losses now.
Humbug!
But there we go. So got that win there for 250 bucks. We won't if I continue to forget to play it whenever I take a loss. Honestly, my losses were stupid. You know, right here, my strategy on this, I get it's me being too risk averse, is to put the stop at the bottom of that candle, and that stop never would have hit. I left it at 10 points instead of putting it where it should have been. And if I had gone for 2 to 1, look at that. I would have got my 2 to 1. There was another one where I did the same thing. I switched accounts. I switched to the other Topstep account, so I don't have these trades on here. But there's 2 other ones I did the same thing on. I either gotta take my stops, be willing to take that risk, or I need to go down to micros, so I'm more willing to take the risk on a bigger stop. Up to 16,082. We're flying high now. This is our hourly chart. You can see we are now higher than at any point we were since November 30th. That day we hit 16,098. We're not far off of that. If we break that, then the next one is a little bit harder to reach. That one's 16,208 from the 29th. But if we want to get really interesting here, if we look at the new contract is trading at 16,286. So if you look at 16,286, we have not been that high. We need to draw a line. 16,286. That's close enough for a long, long time. Long, long time. Wow. I'm not even sure how long. Actually, I'm on. Never mind. I'm not on a continuous contract. But trust me, it's been a while. Yep, 4604. They love the Michigan sentiment news, Ace. Yep, give me 1 second on that. There you go, John. There's my Apex link. Thank you very much, sir. No, thank you. Was a blue candle not trusting it, no longer grinding the bands? It could still work, but we'll kind of just watch it for now. Excellent, John. Excellent. And there's a. See, it's looking like it wants to pull back there in the 3-minute. Purple candle. I mean, obviously it's pulling back on all the charts. I love how I say that, pulling back on the 3-minute. Well, it's pulling back on all the charts. It doesn't like go different directions depending on the time frame. It's a 21-point candle. See how it finishes. I'm gonna, if I enter this trade off this short, off the 3-minute, I'm going to use 5 micros instead of a mini, because at this point it is a 15-point stop. But I do not like how it's now like half wick, half body. In fact, the purple went away, and back up we go. So all that conversation was for nothing. 16,088. Well, maybe not. Here it comes back down again. It's a little bit bipolar right now. ES and Dow both on now back to green candles on their 5-minute chart. So yeah, cool. That opportunity to short went away. It's going back up. Unless it bursts down in the next 3 seconds. I'll be right back in about a minute. Back. We're up, closing in on 16,100. What a day now. What a day. Boom, there's 16,100. Yeah, it's set on a timer. So it's like every 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever. Strong candle up here. Hit 16,110. Pulls back a little bit. Quickly, let's look at everything else. Crude back up to its high day. Ultra bond, it's still trying. Bless its heart. Gold, nice bounce. Copper, no, new high day. Bitcoin's trying to push up as well. You see that blue candle on the 3? I didn't really trust it to tie up. This is one of my issues. We'll see if I should have or not. Have a great weekend, JC. We'll see you Monday. It's kind of now 16-100's the battleground. Life is a battlefield. Watching, see where it wants to go from here. Trying to push up more. 110 was our high. About 5-6 minutes ago. And here it comes down again. Yep. And again, bounces off 100. New contract up at 311. Remember, overall high on NQ is like, I think 796 or something like that. So once we go to that new contract, if it stays up there, it's not far off from all-time highs on NQ. New high day, 611, 111. Apple's having a good day, Nvidia's having a good day, Tesla's having a good day, Meta's having a good day, Alphabet's having a good day. Thus, the NQ and the other indices are having a good day. Purple. There's a pullback. Got from the 113 half pulled back all the way down to 16,090. Big breakdown. Are we seeing the 1030 reversal? What's your thoughts, RJ? Yeah, nope, look at that bounce. It's coming right back up. Battling again around 16,100. Seems like it wants to continue upwards. Oh, maybe not. Back below 16,100. Definitely a battleground here. Yep. There's 1030. Let's see where we go from here. There we go, coming down. I'm in short on 5 micros. You see it in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. 15-point target on it. See if we get it. Target is at, there we go, target hit. So there we go, that's a $150 win. That worked out nicely. I thought I was going to get stopped out because I entered off this purple candle. You can see it crawled back up on the 3, and then it came back down for me. Thank you, JJR. Continuing to push down. Well, I got out around that 77. Actually, my target was at 77, right where RJ was been talking about that battleground. See, it's kind of fighting there now. Yes, it has, and you're the first one to mention that. You're the only one to mention that, and you were right on the money. Now we're breaking down further. So it's like 113 was the high, and we pulled down almost 50 points in the last 10 minutes or so. Oh wait, yeah, it was. How about that? Totally mixed that up. I forgot we went up 100 points then. Wow. Yeah, good point, RJ. I'm sorry. Totally, totally just botched that in my mind, didn't I? Missed that purple candle there on the 1. That would have been another quick, could have been another quick 12 points, 10 points. And I find a lot of people, I have that trouble sometimes, JJ. Gotta remember, yeah, trade the chart, but also if you have a, don't force it, or that could cause other mistakes. So as long as you're not there searching for longs that aren't there, it's okay. Yes, back under 4,600, down to 44,592. Quick fall here. Very quick fall. So there's that 1030 reversal we were talking about. Down at 100 EMA on the 1. See if it can break on through to the other side. Does. See if it holds for this candle close. 15 seconds on this candle. It did not hold. We're short for the break of this EMA. Well, that did not burst like I'd hoped. Now it does. Oh, bounced again though. There we go. Looking for 18. No, 817. Can it get down there? Nope. Green bounce. Come on, beat that back down. There we go. Can't seem to get below, and now I'm back in the red. I should have taken the $100. Come on, beat that back down. No, that's gonna bounce up and nail me. Wow, that got within one tick of my stop. And it came back down in the green. Excellent job, John. Great week. Great Great day. Have yourself a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Breathe, JJR. Maybe get up and walk around a little bit. Reset yourself. Dang it, came down. I was back in profit by about $100, and now it's coming back up for me. Yeah, it's gonna nail me. It has some momentum there. Remember that tilt isn't just from losing trades. You can get on a positive tilt too, where then every trade looks like it's a great trade and you feel like you can win every trade and you start getting in trouble. Stop. Stop me out. Gah. This is a horrible trading day for me, and I don't understand exactly why. Oh no. I mean, that was stupid for me not to get out after that blue candle there. I will say that, because that could have been a trigger for me back up. You can see back up, that was 10 points. I sometimes get too locked in. I'm trying to not get out, I'm trying to fight my thing about getting out of trades too soon. And then instead, I don't recognize when it does give me a signal that I should get out. If I got out after that blue candle, I was in at 29. I mean, it would have saved me 3 points. Not a lot, but still. About 15 minutes to go on the stream. Crypticon, you playing soccer? Popping up above the 3 here. Below my signal line, we're getting a blue candle on the 1. I love those mixed signals. I take it you reached your goal on the Apex account, the Tradovate one. Excellent, Crypticon. Excellent. Very happy for you. Very proud of you. That's the quickest cup of coffee I've ever seen, JJR. Um, I think the Yankees are going to be formidable, John. Everything I'm seeing, I should say, seems that people think San Diego didn't get enough back for Soto. Um, Soto has a chance of hitting 50 home runs with that left field porch in Yankee Stadium, and if he does, then he's going to break the bank from free agency next year. Is that official, RJ, or I haven't seen that news yet? Okay. I seen it's pretty much between the Jays and the Dodgers, and I was kind of surprised that the Jays were in on that. Different no, it's not Sosa. Soto, Juan Soto. I am in long here on MNQ, 5 MNQs down here. Looks like it's about getting very close to my target. There we go. So that's a winner. Find my software. There we go. Nice boost back up. So, I always hate it when I go in with micros and it works out, but it's okay. I wish you nothing but success, my friend. You need to. It seems like for the most part you're trading more conservatively. Yep, runner nice. No, blue candle there, basically on the where I got out. I could have got in and back in. I just. Oh, nice, nice, RJ. Look at that go. We're going back up to the daily high. Back up to 92. ES back up above 4,600. Dow flying. $32 points. Very nice, RJ. Continuing to rise, back up just just below 16,100. So I'm down on one Topstep account today by like 400 bucks. I'm up on the other one by 119. Not the day I was hoping for. Still have the possibility of getting one funded today if I can get some good reads. That's a wonderful day, RJ. And wow, look at this. It's trying to break back up. What was our high? Wasn't it 113? Yeah, 113 half. We're at 107. Not sure I expected this reversal here. I mean, in fact, I know I didn't. Or else I wouldn't have got caught in that short back here. Trying to see if it wants to break the high before we end the stream. Remember, we're back Monday morning, 8 a.m., and we also have an evening stream Monday evening at 6:30 p.m. 2 streams Monday. Only 10 trading days after today left until Christmas. Try. It's gotten stuck at 108. Oh, got up to 112, so maybe a double top and then kind of come back down. But that's it for us today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Maybe doing some Christmas stuff or whatever. Have a great weekend, everybody. Like I just said, I just repeated myself, didn't I? And we'll talk to you all on Monday. Or on Discord if you want to stop in on Discord. I'm always there. See you then. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.